Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, today, guys, oh, yeah, sorry, I just checked. So, today, I would like to give you some, sort of how to make some application, what was name? Calculator using Codula. Yeah, so we will make calculator like as usual, as you know, like 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, like that lah ya. Okay, so let's go to Conda. Just open the Chrome. Let me refresh my scale. Never mind. Yeah, let's go in over here. As you can see, there's so many projects, and the limit of the project is only 10. So I would like to change. I mean, delete this one. Wait. Yeah, wait a minute. Okay. So we just create the project and given name is cal calculator like this. Then give the app name is calculator, and for the package name com, the name of application calculator, and then dot your name, and you set the other color in the default and finish. So as you can see in over here, you can see that we have a blank screen in over here, and we'll set the properties. So just go to create one properties and set horizontal become center, and let us upload the asset. Just upload file and upload asset. Let me search for a while. Is there? This way, yeah. Is it gone? Nah, this one. Just extract this first, yeah. Extract. Oh, never mind. Yes. This asset button, yeah. Never mind, never mind. Just click this and then just singa. Okay, okay. I see, I see. So we just make without button, I think. So you just add some text box, I guess usual. I mean space first, and put in the top of the screen. Set the height become 3%, and you go to palette again, search label, and just drag and drop into the screen, and give the name of label ID is become info, and just the text become calculator, calculator, like this. Don't forget to change the font size become 18, and font bold, of course, and then font type it is monospace. Then don't forget to change the text color become indigo. This one set, and then we'll add some space again in the bottom of the title. Set the height become 3%, and then we'll add some text box. This one, then put in the bottom of space 2. We set the width become 90%, 90%, and then we change the ID become input, input number like this. Yeah, and then we will add some space again in bottom of this. Set the height become 3%, 2% I think is enough. And then we will add some horizontal arrangement like this. Yeah. We set the text box first. we set the hint become number. I mean, please fill out the number. Yes. Then for the input type, it's number, of course. Then there's that for horizontal alignment, we set into 90%. And then we'll see. We will make like name calculator like as usual. So I will upload some button and over here maybe there's minus. Is it black? Yeah, it's black. Okay, okay, okay. I think I'll search. Where is it? Is it gone? This one? This one maybe? Oh, there's no. This one button. I think yes, we will make like calculator as usual, yeah. Using label, yeah. We will need a button. Then we add in over here. I mean, we need a vertical arrangement, two vertical arrangement. One is one, and we give another one again like this. And don't forget set the width become fill parent like this. And then you will add some button and put inside of vertical arrangement. Oh, then button I forgot. Just add the button like this. Then set the width become fill parent and set the name, the text alignment center, right? And then we set the yes the shape. We set into rounded. And then we set the font size is enough, I think, for 15, and set the text become tambah ya, tambah like this. This is for an example. The ground color change into indigo. Don't forget to change the font typeface become monospace. And then we will add some button again. Wait, don't forget to change the ID plus. Add some button again in the bottom of the button plus like this. Set become fill parent, shape around it, and set the background color become indigo. Then you will set the text become Kali because we are using Indonesian. One size 15, and then for the font typeface is monospace. I think for the horizontal alignment it will be like this. Just never mind, never mind. We change the ID of the Kali become Kali. I mean button, yeah. And then we take button again and we add in the vertical adjustment 2, and then we rename become uh, kurang like this, yeah. And then set the text become kurang, set the width become fill parent, set the shape become rounded, then set the background color become indigo, and set the font size become 15, and the font typeface become monospace. That again in the bottom of this ocean. This. Nah, and then set the width become parent, and the text is name lagi. Then we set the font typeface is monospace, font size is 15, the ground color we set into indigo. And then don't forget to set the shape become rounded. And then we will add the result. So we just need like card view and put in the bottom of. Oh yeah, I forgot to rename this. Let's rename become method. Okay, don't forget to add some space like this. And set the height become 3%. Don't forget to set the card view. Card or radius become 15 for the width. I mean, become 90%. Then we will add some space again inside of the card view. Oh yeah, don't forget to set the card view. Align horizontal become center and set the space become 2%. We add some label and then set the label name become seal this hile. Oh, sorry, like this, and then set the font size become 15, and then don't forget font typeface is monospace, font bold, and then set the background color become indigo cat. Oh, I mean, I forgot. Font. I mean, text color become indigo like this. Then we add some space space in the bottom of hasil. We set the height become 3%, push 3%, and we take label again in our label become for the font size we set it to 17, and don't forget the width is fill parent, next alignment center. Oh, I think I forgot to set this. Oh, all right. Okay, we continue. Set the label to ID become free. So, okay, then don't forget to set the text color become indigo again. I think it's 2% is enough. Okay, we continue for the result and set the font type as become monospace and font bold actually, and set the text become 0 like this. I think it's 20. 20 is enough. And then we will set the first name. The button is already and the result is already. Okay, let's go to the blog. Okay, we go to screen one. And then when screen one initialize, we take. Oh yeah, I forgot to add decoration. Astagfirullah, decoration. Decoration. Well, nah, this one. Let's add, and then we go to blocks again. We go to decoration. We take the big one. This, as you can see. And then we go to what's name? Input number. And then what's name? We got the input number ya, like this. Wait, I think the input number is net 2 ya. So I will give this input number 1 and I will make another one text box ya. So we need to add a text box like this. So set the width become 90% and don't forget to change ID become input num number 2 like this. And then don't forget to add some space around 2% like this. And change the height become 2%. Then we can go again. So we just need to search for component input number that's in input number, and then just scroll into the end like this. Yeah. And then we will set the background color become white, and then border color is white, Then for the round is true. Yeah, like this. Then we just duplicate this, right click and then click duplicate, replace in the bottom of the input number one and then change the input two. Now we will go to the math. For the first we will make the plus. So when button plus click on, I think it will be good if like this. We will set me for the input first. If oh yeah, we need to go to button plus first, yeah, button first plus click and then if input number one, yeah, oh sorry sorry, we will make like if the in text box is empty it will be show an error. We go to string text I mean, and then you text is empty and put in the beside of if, and we take from input number one dot text. Which one? This one, yeah. Then we will make the error text, yeah, this one, and just put in that two, and then we add string, and we make some text like masukkan masukkan pertama like this, yeah. And then we go to number one, input number one, and then we search for call input number one, so error message like this, yeah, like this, yeah. And then we take else if, and we just duplicate is empty, we duplicate and change the input number one become input number two. Then we just copy the set and call set become input number two, and this one, yeah. Oh sure, sorry, just duplicate like this, and then we add some else we scroll in the blocks, search for result. So we just search for set result to text. Then we go to math. We search for this plus, just to look at this. Input number two, input number one plus input number two. And this, yeah. And then we will make the kali, or maybe yeah, like that lah. We just search when kali klik something ini, and then set text. We just put off the plus, and then we search in math the kali like this. We just put in the side of the text and set, oh ini number, it must be number one plus number two, and then number input number one kali input number two like this, ya. This is the same thing. Oh, comment, and then we just duplicate, and we will make the kurang. Then set we search in math, search for the minus one, and then just take the input one, the front and input two in the back. Yeah, and then we just put in the beside of the text. This is for kurang. Oh yeah, I forgot to set the bagi. It must to be bagi like this. Then we go to block again, and we just duplicate the kurang, and just go here and we just went bagi dot click, and then we set the else result, I mean, become input number one dibagi input number two. So we just put off this and change the method become okay, so which one, this last one. Then you just put the input number one in the front and input number two in the back. So maybe just this. So you can try to mirroring because I can mirroring in my laptop. Because what? Because my laptop is broken or broken. Oh yeah, maybe we will add some clear button. We add some button again. We put in the bottom of space. Ooh, in over here like this, and add some space again. This is for an option, yeah, like this, and then at the heck is 2%, which 2%, I mean. Then set the button become clear atau bersihkan maybe like this, and then set the width become 90%. And then you set the font size become 18. Oh, and the height is become 30%. Whoosh, it's too big, I think. We'll set become 10% only. It's still too big, or 6% maybe. That's enough, and the font size I think is 16. Then you set the shape into rounded, and then you set the background color become indigo again. Set the font typeface become monospace and font bold, don't forget, and we will change the ID become clear, like, oh, clear, I mean, sorry, clear like this. Then we go to blocks again. We search for button clear like this. When clear, click, and then we go to input first. Wait, maybe you can duplicate it from this. So we will set result dot text become zero. We go to text again and text string and add zero. And then we go to input number. We search for search input number one dot text. Which one? This one. Text to none. Okay, there is no number, yes. This. Then we just duplicate the input number one and put in the bottom of the input number one. And then do input number two, yes. So this is the calculator default. Yeah. So okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. Sorry if I made a mistake in this video, and I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.